In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can connect a PS4 or PS5 controller here in R6 Mobile. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If you would just help the channel, it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, essentially, really, all you need to do is back out of R6 Mobile and go ahead and open up your device's settings app, whether this is on iPhone or on Android. From here, scroll down a little bit and look for Bluetooth and go ahead and open this up and turn it on. From here, you need to connect your controller to your phone, and what you can do in order to do this is just press down on the PlayStation share button as well as the PlayStation button, and it's going to begin the pairing process on the controller. Just keep holding those buttons down until like the little lights start flashing. From here, go ahead and scroll down to other devices and select your controller from in there. And it's going to then appear in your My Devices section. And you can back out of your settings now and open R6 Mobile back up. And it's going to automatically start working. Now, if it's not working for you, all you need to do is just play and complete the tutorial match. And once you do finish the tutorial and return to the main menu, the game will automatically detect the controller. No extra settings, no complicated fixes, it just works. Now, I tested this both with a PS4 controller and a PS5 controller, and both work perfectly after finishing the tutorial. However, you may want to adjust the sensitivity, the button layout, and maybe, of course, your dead zones. But overall, controller support runs great once it does activate. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.